नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री या चॅप्टरचा प्रॉब्लेम सेट बघणार आहोत. यातील सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत मराठी आणि इंग्रजीमध्ये समजून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह आन्सर फॉर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. What is the form of coordinates of a point on x-axis? आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ऑन x-axis y coordinate is 0. ओके, आता b आणि b हा पॉइंट्स दिस इज इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट. 0b. ओके, हियर x is 0 and y is b. This point is on the y-axis. Next option, a 0. Here x coordinate is a, y is 0. This point lies on x-axis and hence option C is correct here. The options are both are A and this point lies in the first quadrant. Okay, and here the option C is correct. Next, any point on the line y is equals to x is of the form y is equals to x. याचा अर्थ काय, x आणि y हे दोन्ही कोऑर्डिनेट्स कसे पाहिजेत तर सेम पाहिजे, सारखे पाहिजेत. मीन्स व्हॉट, हियर the first option x is a and y is also a. Therefore here the first option A is correct here. आपल्याला दिलेले इथे लाईन कसे तर y is equals to x. If we substitute here x is equals to a, then y is equals to a. If we substitute here x is equals to 0, then y is also 0. पण तसं आहे काही ते नाही. Therefore here the both coordinates must be equal for the line y is equals to x and hence option A is correct here. What is the equation of x-axis? We know that the equation of the x-axis is y is equals to 0. x-axis वर प्रत्येक y coordinate हा 0 असतो. ओके, and hence option B is correct here. ओके, आणि y-axis च्या बाबतीत काय असतं तर x is equals to 0. ओके, but for this question, या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर काय, what is the equation of the x-axis? It's y is equals to 0. Next, in which quadrant does the point -4, -3 lie? That's this point. Both are negative. Okay, in first quadrant दोन्ही कसे असतात तर ते पॉझिटिव्ह असतात. In first quadrant positive. In second quadrant minus and plus. In third quadrant minus and in the fourth quadrant plus and minus. Okay, here the given point has both x and y are negative. It lies in the third quadrant. Okay, and hence option C हा या ठिकाणी correct आहे. Next, what is the nature of the line which includes the points -5, 5, 6, 5, -3, 5, 0, 5. Okay, if we observe here the y coordinates for each points are equal. सर्व पॉइंट्सचा y coordinate कसा आहे तर तो सेम आहे. Therefore the given line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, therefore the given line is parallel to x-axis and hence option C हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो बरोबर आहे. The x coordinates कसे ते व्हेरी होतात, चेंज होतात. But what about the y coordinate? Y coordinate is a constant and constant and constant, which is the 5. Therefore the nature of the line which includes this point is parallel to x-axis. Next question, which of the points P -1, 1, Q 3, -4 R 1, -1 S -2, -3 T -4, 4 lie in the fourth quadrant. आता पहिला जर पॉइंट घेतला इथे x is negative and y is a positive. Therefore, this lies in the second quadrant. What about here? X is positive, y is negative. It lies in fourth quadrant. What about R? Here, x is positive, y is a negative. And again here, this point lies in the fourth quadrant. What about S? Both are negative. It lies in the third quadrant. And what about again here? X is negative, y is positive. Therefore, it lies in the सेकंड क्वाड्रंट. ओके, आपल्याला काय विचारलंय की विच पॉइंट लाईज इन दी फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट. देअरफॉर दी पॉइंट Q and R. Q and R lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, here option B is correct here. Okay, B हा option या ठिकाणी correct आहे. Next, question number 2. Some points are shown in the figure 7.11. Okay, या ठिकाणी बघा x axis and y axis घेतलेला. With the help of it, answer the following questions. Write the coordinates of the point Q and R. Next question, write the coordinates of the points D and M. Third question, which point lies in the third quadrant? And fourth one, which are the points whose x and y coordinates are equal? Okay, तर बघूया one by one. First question. Okay, first is write the coordinates of the point Q and R. आता Q आणि R चे आपल्याला इथे पॉइंट्स लिहायचे. व्हॉट अबाउट द Q? इथे x किती आहे तर तो हियर इज -2 and y is 2. Therefore the coordinate of the point Q is -2 and 2. व्हॉट अबाउट द R? R कुठे आहे तर तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये, and x किती आहे तर तो 4 आहे and y is -1. Therefore the coordinate of the point Q and R are -2, 2 and 4, -1 respectively. Okay, now next, second, write the coordinates of the point T and M. Okay, T lies on the y-axis and hence its x coordinate is 0 and y is -1. These are the coordinate of the point T. त्यानंतर काय दिलं तर M lies on the x-axis, therefore its y coordinate is 0, x is 3 and y is 0. Okay, therefore here the points T and M are 0, -1 and 3, 0 respectively. Okay, now next, which point lies in the third quadrant? Third quadrant मध्ये कुठला आहे तर S पॉइंट आहे. ओके, आणि त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स किती आहे तर ते -3. ओके, -3 and -2. Now next, which are the points whose x and y coordinates are equal? ओके, आता x आणि y चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स इक्वल असण्यासाठी that point is origin. Okay, x and y coordinates of the point O means what? Origin are equal. Origin चे x and y both are 0, 0. Okay. Okay. Next, question number 3. Without plotting the points on a graph, state in which quadrant or on which axis do the following point lie. Okay, now the first point, 5 -3. X is positive, y is negative, it lies in the fourth quadrant. Next, -7, -12, both are negative, it lies in third quadrant. Next, x is negative, y is positive, it lies in second quadrant. Again, x is negative for the fourth one, x is negative and y is positive, it lies in second quadrant. Next, for the 0 and -3, x is 0 and y is -3, it lies on the y-axis. And for the last, -6 and 0, x coordinate is -6 and y is 0, it lies on the x-axis. Yeah, okay. And you can have also this. This is the fourth one, 5 -3, -12, -7, -12, it is in the third quadrant. Next is -23 and 4, it is in the second quadrant. -9, -9, 5, it is in the second quadrant. 0, -3, that's on the y-axis. -6, 0 on the x-axis. Okay. Now next question. Plot the following points on 1 and the same coordinate system. Okay, one by one. Now see this here. X-axis and y-axis या ठिकाणी partner scale linear scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on the both axis. या प्रकारे ग्राफ पेपर आल्यानंतर first point A whose coordinate x is positive, y is also positive, 1 and 3. Therefore the first point A is here 1 3. Second B -3 -1, both are negative, they are in the third quadrant. त्यानंतर C 1 -4, it is in the fourth quadrant. Next -2 3, okay, it is in the second quadrant. Next E 0 -8, x कसा आहे तर जो तो 0 आहे, therefore it lies on the y axis. Okay, and the last F 1 0, y 0 x 1, it lies on the x axis. And in this way we have plotted all the points on the graph paper या प्रकारे. Okay, now next question number 5. In the graph alongside line LM is parallel to y axis. What is the distance of the line LM from the y axis? Write the coordinates of the points P, Q and R. What is the difference between x coordinate of the point L and M? Okay, one by one. Now the first one. What is the distance of the line LM from the y-axis? Y-axis पासूनचं distance किती? तर 1 2 3. Okay, therefore the equation of y-axis is that is here the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0, 3 is greater than 0. Okay, therefore the distance of LM from y-axis is 3 minus 0, that is equals to 3. Okay, now next write the coordinates of the point P, Q, R. आता P चे coordinates बघा, इथे x is 3, y is 2, that is the coordinate of the point P is 3 2. Next coordinate of the point Q, तर इथे बघा Q whose x coordinate is 3, y is -3. Coordinate of the point R, आता R बघा तो it's on the x axis and hence y coordinate is 0. Coordinate of the point R is 3, 0. And hence the answers P 3 2, Q 3 -1 and R 3 0 respectively. Next, what is the difference between the x coordinate of points L and M? Okay, आता या ठिकाणी L चे coordinates जर आपण इथे बघितले, here the coordinate of the L are here इथे 3 and 3. And what about the M? Okay, that is a coordinate of the M are 3 and -3. Question काय, what is the difference between the x coordinate of the point L and M? Difference किती येणार तर तो 0 येणार. Okay, the x coordinates of the both points are same, which is 3, that is a 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Easy question है तो. The difference between the x coordinates of the points L and M is 0. Now next question, question number 6. How many lines are there which are parallel to x-axis and having a distance 5 units? x-axis ला parallel असणाऱ्या lines की ज्या x-axis पासून 5 distance वरती आहे, 5 unit distance. These are the two lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, आपल्याला अशा किती lines draw करता येतात तर इथे 2 lines. Okay, now see this here, y is equals to 5. This is the equation of this line, y is equals to 5, y is equals to -5. Yeah, the equation of the line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equals to b. The distance, here the distance given is 5 units. Therefore, this above the x-axis y is equals to 5. Below the x-axis y is equals to -5 are the two lines which are parallel to x-axis. Now next question, Question number 7. If a is a real number, what is the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equals to a? या ठिकाणी a मी हा 4 कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. ओके, a is unknown. This is the first line. Okay, these are the two. a is a real म्हणजे a पॉझिटिव्ह पण असणार आहे किंवा निगेटिव्ह पण असणार आहे. If a is a real, what is the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equals to a? Suppose here is a line x is equals to a. Okay, इथे 4 मधून जाते याचा अर्थ काय की here x is equals to किती घेतलाय तर तो a is equals to 4. Okay, x is equals to a and that is equals to 4 आपण इथे कन्सिडर केलंय. Here x is equals to, it's a minus a and that's equals to minus 4. Okay, now the next, here x is equals to minus a, it is of the form x is equals to plus a. A is a real number. If a is a negative, then x is equals to minus a is the line parallel to y-axis. The y-axis च्या left hand side ला असणार आहे and it is to its left. If a is a positive, then x is equals to a is a line parallel to y-axis and 2 it's a right. The distance between y-axis and the line x is equals to a is at y-axis and the line ती किती असणार आहे तर a minus 0 and that's equals to a. Okay, therefore the distance between y-axis and the line x is equals to a is nothing but the mod of a. Okay, तर ते डिस्टन्स कसं असणार तर ते मॉड आहे. निगेटिव्ह जरी असलं तरी आपण डिस्टन्स हे कसं घेतोय तर ते पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. ओके, therefore again I will repeat here the question. If a is a real number, what is the distance between y-axis and the line x is equals to a? Okay, तर ते डिस्टन्स किती असणार आहे तर a हे डिस्टन्स असणार आहे. If a is negative, then take its a mod. And in this way we have completed this problem set 7. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.